Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something exciting to talk about, the latest software update for my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and a new software update is also available to Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. In this video I will show you how to install the update on your watch and what are the precautions you need to take during the update process. Give it a thumbs up if you are also ready to install this update on your watch too. You should have seen the update message on your phone's notification bar where the Galaxy wearable app is installed. If you have not, you can easily check the new software update via watch settings, then scroll down, click watch software update, tap download and install. Yes, a new software update is available. I will talk about the changelog a few moments later. The size of the update is 234 megabyte. This is not big, but this is not also small. And One UI version will be 5.0 watch after this update. And security patch level will be 1 March 2024. Okay, the software update has already been downloaded on my device. So I am tapping the install now button. While the installation process will take a few minutes, I will be talking about the changelog and precaution in order to have a successful software installation process. Okay, I am tapping the install now button. This update prioritizes your safety with the March 2024 security patch, fixing over a dozen vulnerabilities to keep your watch protected. You can now connect your Galaxy Watch 4 to new Samsung TVs and view your workout data all in its glory. You can track your progress in real time for a more immersive exercise experience. The update also brings improved stability, ensuring your Galaxy Watch 4 runs like a new watch, offering a more responsive and enjoyable user experience. Let me tell you a few quick tips to ensure a smooth update process. Firstly, back up all of your important data to avoid any data loss during the update. Secondly, clear some spaces on your device to make room for the new update. Also, make sure your watch has over 50% charge before the start of software installation process. Okay, my software installation process is going on. It is now at 25%. Everything is running smoothly and the update process is conducted by my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, I think this is it. There you have it, folks. A real quick look at the Galaxy Watch 4 software installation process. Thank you so much for sticking around until this moment. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know with a big fat like. Sharing this video with your friends would be amazing too. It helps to grow my channel and allows me to create even more content you will love. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.